Hi there, welcome back to the garage and 110 RC Scale Tales. And yep, you've spotted it, it's another new truck to hit the fleet. And this time it's the FCX24, another fantastic model from FMS. Let's open the box and check it out. Cheers. Well, there she is. Have a close look underneath. Now, this is supposed to be 1/24th scale. Looks like it's more like 1/18th if we compare it to a Traxxas Bronco. Yeah, I would say it's more 1/18th scale. I'm not too worried about that. Hard body, nice detail with the mirrors, chrome bumpers, chrome grille, lights around. You've got the turn signals, the indicator lenses, and again on the back, more chrome there. Underneath, take at this foam, protective foam. Very nice chassis indeed. There we go. A servo at the front for the steering. We've also got another servo in the middle, which you can see just there, to control the 2-speed gearbox. Now to get into it, there's just 2 wee clips, which you push gently, and I think that's what you do. Maybe not. Yeah, that's what you do. You squeeze them, and the body comes off like so. There you go. There's the inside. So the truck comes ready to run, and inside you can have a closer look at the combination ESC receiver. We've got the servo for the gearbox, and you can see the other servo there for the steering. We've also got a nice little motor there. Metal gears in the steering servo. You've also got metal gears in the portals. It's got 4-link suspension, and it's got a nice nylon frame and rapid separation car body. Don't know if it was rapid, but once you get used to it, I'm sure it'll come off a lot quicker than I demonstrated earlier. Nice painted body, and inside there's various optional parts, which I'll show you now. So I'll just put that there. So inside, get a little pack with additional license plates, USB charger, a light bar, roll cage, etc. Because this canopy comes off if you want to run it as a pickup. You also get a little roof rack for the top, which will look pretty cool, and a nice bumper for the front. Let's have a closer look at the controller. So there it is. It's a 3-channel. Nice steering. You can actually work it one-handed. Pull back to go forward, and forward to go back. Channel 3 is your gear change, and quite a bit more power in the second gear. The body is nice and heavy, so it's quite planted when it's driving along. Looks quite good. On the top here is all your standard controls, but the bind button also doubles up as the lighting control. So one push turns on the headlights, and it's just headlights at the front, none at the back, but there's room there to add lights later. Now I did say I was going to add all the accessories to the truck, but after looking at it, I've actually decided just to run it as is at the moment, and then maybe down the line we'll add the roof rack and change the bumper, etc, etc. I'm quite happy with the Texas license plates. So I say you get a selection of license plates, you get a light bar, you get a bumper, you also get the roof rack, you also get a roll cage. So there's lots of opportunity to have lots of fun with the truck in the future. So I think the next thing is we're going to head down to Downing Point and test it out on the rocks. Enjoy! Hi there, so there it is, the FCX24. Had to cut filming short due to the heavy downpour from the south across the Forth estuary. So we're back here at home in the summer house. And what do you think? The truck actually did really well. You're getting a lot of truck for the money, £135, about $160. You're getting a 1/18 scale, it's not 1/24, it's 1/18. Nice hard body on the truck. Lots of scale detail, good tyres, nice wheels, and it performed really well. 2-speed gearbox and LED lights. I am certainly going to have a lot of fun with the truck in the future and future videos. Let me know what you thought of the video, let me know what you thought of the truck. Please leave some comments down below and I will reply. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Subscription really does help the channel. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that notification bell for future 110 RC Scale Tail videos. Anyway, keep on trailing, keep on crawling, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers now. Bye-bye. Seriously? It's not the best time to come and sit beside me when we're doing videos, is it? You don't care, do you? No. Why should you?